Delaware Governor Matt Meyer says he has had enough of the government shutdown and the effects it's now having on residents in his state.
In 3 days, notices are going to start going out that healthcare premiums are going to double for millions of working Americans, and SNAP benefits, basic food benefits for 120,000 Delawareans will be in jeopardy this weekend.
To keep food on families' tables, the governor has now declared a state of emergency, which means he will scour the state's budget to move money to fund SNAP benefits week by week for as long as the state can do it. He says the state is now facing a $400 million revenue drop thanks to the president's big, beautiful bill. He blames Republicans in Washington, but says he doesn't see this as a partisan issue on the ground here at home.
Tim, when you cut food assistance for 120,000 Delawareans, that's going to affect communities across our state, including communities that a lot of people probably don't really think of as a community that would receive food stamps or SNAP assistance.
The governor also working to shift more resources to food banks and food pantries up and down the state. He says if you're a Delawarean who's doing okay and can afford to do so, he hopes you consider making a donation. He says the state can only do so much for so long. He says there's no way the state can sort of indefinitely fund all of these federal programs. The governor says this is absolutely a crisis, and he doesn't envision the Trump administration coming to the rescue of his state or any state anytime soon.
The federal government is less of a partner to all state governments, blue and red states, than they've probably ever been. Right.
In Wilmington, Tim Furlong, NBC10 News.
Meantime, state officials in New Jersey are telling people who could lose SNAP to consider food banks as an option. Camden County leaders put out a warning saying the benefits will expire unless the government shutdown ends before November 1st, as we've been telling you. According to the New Jersey Department of Human Services, SNAP helps more than 800,000 people in that state. NBC10 Responds is here to help with SNAP benefits running out in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Delaware. If you have questions, we have answers on NBC10.com.